Everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Remember, if you're a landlord or a tenant and you have a month-to-month lease arrangement, either landlord or tenant can terminate that lease generally by giving appropriate notice. Now, if I'm a tenant and I'm on a month-to-month lease in your apartment building, generally I could give you a 30-day written notice and I could terminate the lease, I can move. Landlord to tenant, if you, the landlord, want to get rid of me, the tenant, you might have to give me 30 or 60 days written notice. As a landlord, you'll have to give a tenant a 30-day written notice if the tenant's been in the unit for under a year. If the tenant's resided in the unit for a year or more, this will trigger a 60-day written notice from the landlord to the tenant. So if a landlord wants to get rid of a tenant, the tenant's on a month-to-month, 30 or 60, depending on how long the tenant's been there, tenant can generally give the landlord a 30-day written notice and consider the lease canceled. Now, when I say lease, I'm referring to this only in the context of a month-to-month. If the landlord and tenant had a written lease for a period of time, both parties would have to honor their agreement.